Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the most affordable and perfect gift from Hermes for the holiday. So if you are looking still in search for the perfect gift for your friends that loves luxury, I think you might want to consider this. So I have the box here. So it arrived with this really nice box. So as we open it, so they have this one, the Hermes logo right there. Oh my gosh. It is like, this is so unexpected, guys, because I got this item for $37. This is a $37 item. And look how they package it. Oh, look how they package it. It came in with, hold on. It came in with the receipt. The receipt is made up of a really nice paper. It always feels and look luxurious from Hermes. So that's how it looks with the receipt. Another cardboard here, and this is more likely the policy and the return policy and other stuff. And then look at that, you still have to open this. It says here your receipt, very fancy. And here we go, this is the receipt. Wow, look at that, very fancy. And also this one, I actually have ordered this one as a gift. So it came in, you have an option to actually write on this note, and I just leave it blank though. So I got this beautiful envelope where you could actually write a note in it. Look at that. Oh my gosh, the Hermes logo, very nice. And this is just plain blank because I did not write anything, so I could really customize it myself. But you do have an option to actually write something. So wow, look at that one. For $37, they put it in, they gave you this writing note, and look at the receipt that came with it. How fancy that is. So anyway, moving on, here's the thing. Look at how they wrap my item. Very nice. The packaging is amazingly beautiful. Very impressive. Knowing that I paid less than $50 for it. That's the thing I like about Hermes, is like you don't need to spend a fortune for you to be able to get a nice packaging. So I have the box here. I'm taking it out. Look. Wow. Very well done. The ribbon, it's absolutely gorgeous. And then the box, you'll be surprised what's inside of this, guys. I mean, the box is actually bigger than the item, I must say. And then look at how gorgeous the ribbon is. Oh my gosh, I always love the combination of the orange and also with this bulldog ribbon, which is also in brown, dark brown. Very beautiful. Love the packaging so much. So anyways, I actually purchased several of these because I will be giving this as my Christmas gifts for my friends. So I purchased several of these, but I have been buying this particular item for a few years now, and I just can't wait to share this with you because I am totally astonished with how they wrapped this item, guys. So anyways, so this is the item that I purchased. So let me open this. Okay. Are you guys ready with what I got? Okay. Oh, with a bubble wrap inside. And oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. Oh my gosh. Guys, look what I purchased. It is just a soap. I can't believe it. I mean, it's just a soap. They wrap it nicely in this beautiful box. And I'm going to take out the soap. I'm going to talk about this soap in a little bit. And look at the packaging. It came in with this pillow little thing that has this bubble. Can you believe that? Can you believe how beautiful the packaging is? This is $37 with a box, with everything, and then they even protect the soap with this beautiful pillow cushion. How nice is that? Wow, really? I am so impressed with the packaging, guys. Wow, I'm surprised. I am totally astonished with this purchase. Oh my gosh. Wow, beautiful. So anyways, so much for that. I mean, yeah, I was really totally astonished with how beautifully wrapped my soap. $37, and they wrap it like it's worth $1,000. Really. I'm surprised because I could always, I mean, you know, there's some other fashion houses right there that even if you spend a few $1,000s and the packaging is awful, but this one is, wow, it's amazingly, oh, I can't find the right words to describe. I really can't find the right words to describe how beautifully my items were wrapped in this orange box. Oh my gosh, I am blown away. So here is what I got. It is a soap. It is a perfume soap. And they call this one Eau d'Orange Verte. So that's what it's actually written in French though. So this is the soap. Okay. I mean, oh my gosh, I am still can't get over how beautiful the packaging is. So anyway, so this is a perfume soap. So I'm going to open this, guys, so you'll be able to see why I think this soap is so special. Okay, let's open this one up. And I'm going to put the link down below on this item, because I know it's in French, you know, so sometimes it's really hard to read them, or sometimes it's hard to remember it. But this one actually, the reference code for this is 24736. So if you want to search this one on the website, so you'll be able to see this item right away. So the Eau d'Orange Verte. Interesting. So anyway, let's open the box. I am so excited for this again. So look at that. Okay, here comes the $37 perfume soap from Hermes. Look at the packaging, guys. Wow, look at the box that came with it. This one is in beautiful, beautiful green crystal box. It's see-through though. Oh my gosh. Oh, I can also already smell it. It has a really relaxing scent to it. Wow. Let me open this so you guys will be able to see. So here's the soap itself. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Wow. So here's the soap. Here's the soap. That's the signature logo from Hermes right there. Wow. Cologne, Hermes. So closer look once again. So this is the soap. I'm going to put the soap in here. Came in with this beautiful box, guys. Wow, it's amazing. To think that this is $37. The soap, this one, and the packaging. Don't you think that's a perfect holiday gift for anybody? I would think so. So I purchased several of these, and I believe that this is such a perfect present for somebody that loves luxury. Wow. Look at the engraved, the logo Hermes right here. This is not, they didn't actually, this was actually engraved and they painted in white. Look. Look at that. It's so beautiful. Wow. The box itself, so the box itself is actually what really sold me, because this box is, well, I don't know if you wanted to use the soap and put the soap in here, but for me, I actually never used this soap for on this box right here. I use this as a jewelry box, a jewelry case. So you could use this with anything at all. You could use it with anything. You would put like coins in here. You could put your jewelry or anything. But in my personally, I use this one as a jewelry case. So here's some of my jewelries. So this one is my old one. So I just put my special necklace in here. So I just put this in right here like that to protect it. And yeah, I have this one for many years though, and it's beautiful. I have several of these, and I love it. I love it so much. And I think, I'm not sure if there's a price increase in these for over the years, but even that, even for $37, it's worth it. It's worth it, guys. So what really surprises me, because I have been buying that for several years, and what really surprised me is that the packaging. I mean, maybe they do the packaging maybe because it's holiday, but because usually I have another soap here which is also the same, but the packaging is they just wrap it on this paper like that, and then with the ribbon. Just like with the ribbon like this. Well, they wrap it nicer with the bow. But with this one, you guys already see earlier and how I unboxed that with this beautiful cushion. Where is the cushion thing? It's right here. Beautiful. Wow. I am shocked. I am so surprised at how much I mean, it is just still $37, but the packaging itself is just like worth hundreds and hundreds of dollars. Really. So I just hope that maybe of all the items that I purchased, I probably purchased 6 of these separate purchase, because one of the orders, I actually personalized it, and I write a note, write something for wishing them such a happy and prosperous 2021. So I did actually customize that, but since this is my personal order, I did not write anything on the note. But guys, I am so surprised with this purchase. And I think they only do this one during the holiday. So if you're looking for a gift, I think you might probably still have time for this. So, wow. This is such a beautiful, beautiful gift, guys. Because you could use the soap. Well, your soap, you can use it like, you could wear that soap. I mean, it's another way of wearing fragrance through a soap. And the soap smells so good. But you can use that soap as probably a freshener in your room or in your car. It could be anything though. It's not necessarily that you're gonna have to use it. So, but anyways, so wow. This one, and I find this one very useful. Very, very useful. It's not only that it actually has made up a really nice material. It has a very luxurious look and feel to it. It's not like a cheap plastic that they made. This one is made of a really substantial quality of a plastic though. It's not something that would break, but it actually looks very elegant though. If you put this one along with your jewelry case, also when along with your makeup kit and stuff like that, this would look great. actually, and I love the color. I love the fact that this one is green. Wow. One of also of my most favorite colors. Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Absolutely. I would highly recommend this, guys. Definitely. I mean, there's a lot of options though on the website in the soap. But I know that this is the only reason really why I wanted to get the soap. It's because of this box right here. The box is just like worth more than $37. And it is Hermes. It's amazing. I mean, if you would probably get to think, if they sell this separately, do you think they would price this as a $37 knowing that they put the logo right there, Hermes? The signature Hermes logo? Well, I don't think so. But with the soap for $37 and the box itself, where you could actually use it with anything, you could put anything here, any use of this box, really. It's just I just can't believe it. So this is not just for the holiday gift though. You could gift this one as a birthday, anniversary gift. You can gift it to yourself if you wanted to. I gifted this one for myself today. So yeah, it could be anything, but what makes it amazing is how they wrapped it. The soap smells so good, and also it came in with this beautiful box where you could actually use it. You can find use in it. Wow, this one looks very, very luxurious, guys, and I would highly recommend it to everybody out there for $37. It's absolutely worth a million times. Well, it is an exaggeration, but yes, it worth your money. Definitely recommend it. So anyways, I hope you guys liked my video, and also if you find my video interesting, please consider subscribing my channel, and I'll see you on my next video. Happy holidays, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.